everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we will be talking about a story in Scratch, Space Meeting. And you guys are probably wondering what this is.
Ooh, that's a gigantic hand.
Yeah, it's called a mega hand. It's a bit broken, but it'll do.
So what are three? What are the three
So
sprites?
this over here is our mega hand that I'm wearing right now. And then this is my rocket. And then here's the base parts too. And then here is my animatronics studio. Game plot: 3 amazing inventions meet in space. They fly up in space. Hi everyone.
3 of them.
Yeah, all 3. So they introduce themselves, share their roles in a mission. When they are in the space Scratch project, and it concludes with a farewell until the next space meeting, galactic meeting. So the rocket blaster, the role is space traveler, and then a mega hand, space lifter using gears and pulleys.
Wow.
Gears. So then I will turn on this. Okay, so if I turn this on,
He's so hyper.
he's hyper. He's getting too hyper. He's getting too hyper. Stop. Good, stop.
No, I think he's so excited to go into space.
I think he is. He started again.
Yeah. Okay, good. Don't worry, you are coming with us.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and then our rocket blaster.
Yeah, the third one.
Yeah. Oh, right. Animatronic tech. The role is tech support to fix machines and everything else.
So this hyper one has a job to fix the machines.
That's exactly how it sounded
Okay.
like.
Cool.
So then, if I put this on, and then I pull up this, it's gonna go up and then blast up into space. Okay? I'm gonna count 3, 2, 1, and then it'll blast off. So core concepts. What is communication in Scratch?
So you're gonna do this all in Scratch format?
Yeah, but
wow,
this
that's
won't be
interesting,
there.
Lena.
Just the rocket will be there. Anyway, let's get this on. So 2 main ways. Number 1, say command. Like say, my name is.
So you say command.
Yeah, like this. So 2, broadcast a message. So in my project, there will be a rocket blaster that uses broadcasting to tell Mega Hand it's her turn. So as you can see, here's our broadcast, and here's our second broadcast. Well, that's our 3rd one, and this is our 4th one. Anyway, so here's our say, and then you write whatever you want for how many seconds you want, and then let's move on to the next slide. That's not what happens in it, but so what is a backdrop change in Scratch? Backdrop change: to make your story move from one place to another, like backgrounds. So in my project again, it starts in the hayfield, which is known as Earth. Then it goes to the space and ends in the galaxy. So hayfield, and then one backdrop. So just hayfield, hide.
3 different space.
Yes.
Earth, space, and galaxy.
Okay, what sprite appearance in Scratch? What is sprite appearance in Scratch? So main command: show makes the sprite appear on screen. Like hide, like it was in last time. So one backdrop switches to hayfield, hide. One backdrop switches to space, show. Wait 5 seconds and then go. So hide makes the sprite disappear and show makes it appear. Anyway, ready for the mission. Who is ready?
We all.
Yay! Yay! He's too excited again.
Yeah.
Go!
Let's go, guys.
Yeah! Okay.
Hey.
Hey, wait a second. Who forgot to pack the snacks?
Animatronic. Oops.
Oops, I accidentally only packed spare parts. Space hunger is real. And when we fix, we lift, we zoom through space. Team Explorers are ready to race.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's go to the space.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hurry your rocket. Zoom, zoom, zoom. That should be for
Okay,
toddlers.
so don't forget your snacks.
Yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Start cutting on Scratch.
Wow, coding in Scratch.
So we are gonna go to Scratch. My Scratch, at least.
Hi, I have a space meeting.
Everyone will read it.
Hi. And I have to go right. Here we are. Space meeting. Milky Way Galaxy. My name is Rocket Blast. I will help you to travel in space. My name is Animatronic. But you guys can call me in. And I will help you guys with the space here. My name is Mega Hand. But call me Mega. I will help you fix things. Meeting is concluded for today. See you in the next meeting.
Bye! Anyway, let's go back in. So, as you can see, we have our rocket here. And then you can see it says hide. When it's went back up, so it's just the hayfield, it hides. And then, I don't need this. And then, it also has one backdrop, such as to space. It says wait 3 seconds, show, wait 3 seconds, and say, here we are, for 2 seconds. And then, here's our first broadcast. So, first we do broadcast, message 1, the first one, and then switch backdrop to Galaxy, which is right now on. And then we also have when click switch backdrop to hayfield because it's the last one talking. So yeah. And then we have this. You guys can read it in 5 seconds. Okay, anyway, let's move on to our mega hand. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to read this too. Same thing, but just with different words. And then read this one. 5. And then here's our others. Well, just one more. And then let's go to our animatronics. Annie. Yeah, so one backdrop switches to hayfield. Hide. And when it switches to space, show. Okay, and then when I receive message 2, wait 5 seconds. My name is Animatronics. Wait 2 seconds. But you guys can call me Annie. Wait 2 seconds. Broadcast message 3, and say I will help you guys with the gears and pulley.
Yeah, so basically you are explaining how you did this in the Scratch.
I did this whole thing by myself. Definitely without any YouTube videos helping me to how to do it.
That's why we are so proud of you.
I learned it myself, okay?
Good job. You need a clap.
I actually did it. I use YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so I'll show you the backdrops really quick. So there, as you can see, there is no coding.
Nothing there.
Yeah, but we only need the backdrops.
Yeah.
Hello. So first it starts off in our hayfield.
Yeah.
So right now it's on our hayfield.
Interesting how these 3 people meeting in the hayfield.
And then, no. Our mega hand is the only one there, and then he's just picking all the bad grass. Bad grass. I just can't made it up. And then if I go to my space,
You can call weeds.
Yeah, beats. And then if I go to my space, like field, to space, it'll turn to space. And that's when all of them appear here. And then it'll go to our galaxy, which is over here. And then, as you can see, it says space meeting. If I go to number 4, your meeting is concluded for today. See you in the next meeting. Bye, guys. I'm going to leave you guys. I'm kidding. So, let's play this one more time. And then let's go back to everything else. We're just watching it one more time. And I have to go right now, so let's call my friends. Where are the others?
So whatever you work now is again pretty.
Here we are. Space meeting. Now we are in the Milky Way galaxy. My name is Rocket Blaster. I will help you to travel in space. My name is Animatronics, but you guys can call me Annie. And I will help you guys with the gears and pulleys. My name is Mega Hand, but call me Mega. And I will help you fix things, like all the mechanical stuff. And that will be it. So let's go back. Okay, so we already opened our Scratch. So if you guys don't have an account and you guys want to make a story and you want to save it, create a profile account on Scratch. How you do it, just go to scratch.mit.edu and then it'll say you can create your account, and then you can make an account. But if you already have one, great for you. You guys can make whatever you want and save it.
Sure.
Anyway, thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. For now, bye.
Wow, Lena, I was so impressed by your work. Thank
Bye.
you for teaching us so amazing things.